Hi children, as usual, tell me the date today. Today's date is 29. 29 8 and 2020, right? 29. Now children, subject, which subject I teach you? I teach you maths. Okay. Children, today I am not going to ask any question. I just may draw something on the board and you have to tell me what to do. Okay, here is the box in which what I draw. This is toffees. Okay, these are toffees in the box, and this one is second box. How many toffees I draw in one box, children? Tell me that. 3 toffees in one box, right? So till now, how many boxes I draw? I draw 4 boxes, right? And in each box there is 3 toffees. Children, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Okay, in 4 boxes, how many toffees? 3 toffees in each box. So, let's count, children, how many toffees are there in all. In all means, you already know that in all means we have to count all of the toffees, means we have to add it. Okay, so in this, how many toffees? 3. In this also, how many toffees? 3. In this, 3, and in this 3. So, we have to add, means we have to plus. Okay, in all, this plus this plus this. So how many total toffees? Tell me that. How many total toffees? So 3 plus 3 and plus 3. So 1 2 3 plus 3 1 2 3 plus 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 4 times we have to plus 3 1 2 3. So let's count total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Total toffees is 12. Children, this is the this boxes are only 4 boxes and it takes time to add, right? We were taking our hand and then counting on the lines of our fingers. Then if I give you 1 or 3 more boxes, then children, tell me, is it easy to calculate all these toffees in a very fast way? Is it possible, children? No. So if I give you some more boxes and if we have to count it, and all these calculations take time, right, children? All these calculations take times. So children, today I teach you one power in which you all can able to add these toffees in a very fast way. Okay, in a very faster method. These are the longer method to add, right, children? To add, and it takes time because these are in the divided in the group also equally. So children, how to add? Let's see. If we add these toffees, and the method is called, you know the method. The method, I tell you, the method is called multiplication. Okay, the magic, not the method, is the magic is called the multiplication. M-U-L-T-I, multi, P-L-I, plication, C-A-T-I-O-N. Okay, children, this is the multiplication chapter. Today's topic is multiplication. Children, what is the sign of multiplication? This is the sign of multiplication. Children, till now you all learn some signs like this plus sign, this minus sign. Okay, this plus sign indicates, this plus sign means that if this sign implies between two numbers, it means that we have to add this both the number. If this sign, subtraction sign, is implies to between two numbers, then this sign means that we have to subtract, means we have to subtract both the numbers. Okay, means smaller from the bigger one. Now this sign is the multiplication sign, and this sign is called a multiplication, M-U-L-T-I, multiplication sign. Okay children, and this sign is also called multiplication sign. Okay, now children, not I am taking this big so much of boxes, I am just taking only this smaller one. Okay, how many, first of all tell me, how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4, 4 boxes, right children? How many boxes are there? Only 4 boxes. How many toffees in one box? How many toffees in only one box? 1 2 3 toffees in one box, so 3 toffees. Okay children, if we put this sign means that we have to multiply it. Okay, multiply means how many group. So 4, if you read table of 4, then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. You have to read 4 table of 4 up to 3 times. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So children, this is the, and this children, this 4 indicates that number of groups, number of group, number of group, and this 3 number of things in the group, things in one group, things in one group. Okay, and this is called the product. Children, as you all get the sum in the addition, when we add two numbers in addition, and then we get the difference when we subtract any two number, then we get product when we multiply any two number. Okay children, now children, if I take one more example, okay, this you can understood. Children, multiply means that this is the repeated addition of multiplication. What? This is the repeated addition of multiplication. If I take a bag, ठीक? Okay children, if I take a bag, this is the bag and here is the knot. In this bag, I put four balls. I take another bag also. Here in this 4 balls I kept it. Here 4 balls, 3, 4, and here it is 5. Okay, how many bags? Tell me that. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags. Okay, in 5 bags, how many balls are there? 4 balls are there. So, if we count it, here is 4 balls, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Let's count it. Total. Keep a plus sign between all these. We have to count it, na? So, we have to put plus sign. So, 4 plus 4, 1 2 3 4 plus 4 1 2 3 4, then plus 4 1 2 3 4, then plus 4 1 2 3 4, then plus 4 1 2 3 4. So children, this makes so much of time. Then count it. All the fours, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 16 17 18. Okay, 18 19 20. So children, how many? ठीक है children, how many? 4 4 plus 4. Yes, 4 plus 4 20. All these 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. Here is 20, right? If we see in the terms of multiplication, then how we see it? How many groups? 1 2 3 4 groups. 4 5 groups. Sorry, I mistaken. 5 groups. Then how many balls? 1 2 3 4 balls. Then 4. Which sign I have to imply in both of the number? Between both of the number? Yes, this multiplication sign. Then 5, we have to read table 5 up to 4 times. Okay, then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay, now this is 20. Is this answer, both the answer is same? Yes. So if we count it, both the answer is same. This is the power, this is the magic of multiplication, because multiplication is also known as the repeated addition, right? It is the shortest method of addition, right children? Multiplication is also known as and multiplication give us the power to consume our time. Children, all these take, if we add this number, it takes our time. And if we want to consume our time, means आज के ज़माने में हमें अपने समय को बचाना है. So for this multiplication is made to consume our time in addition, in repeating addition of same number. If we have the collection of the same product, collection of same things, then we all have to arrange it. We all have to arrange it in a column way, right children? If we have to arrange it in a column or in a row, in a equal distribution, or in a column and a row, and then we have to multiply with this process number of group, then number of things in one group or one row, one column. If we arrange in any manner way, then we get the product in a easy way, okay, and in a fast way, with less time. Okay, so this is the power of multiplication. Now children, if this I give this all these examples with the help of with the help of draw. Take children, now take out your book and open page number 72, right? See over here, you all see that this picture is drawn, okay, then you all see how many, what is this? These are hens is feeding, right children? Is feeding in the garden. Grave is feeding in the garden of grain. Then children, you all see there are how many hens? 5 hens are there in one group. 1 2 3 4 5 hens, and these hens are distributed in a group, equal group, right? All the hens are on equal, 5 hens in each group. Then 1 2 3 4 5 hens. Then children, you see that 5 hens. If we see, or here, now children, you all will count that 5 hens in one group, and there are 4 groups. Okay, now count 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus. So children, now let we see in the process of multiplication how the answer which we get. Children, you get how many groups? 1 2 3 4 groups, right? So 4 groups, right? Now how many hands in one group? 1 2 3 4 5. 5. Which sign I have to imply? This multiplication sign between this. Then what product we get? Table of 4. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Now see total how many hens? 20 hens. Now children, if we see 5 here are 5 hens. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So children, if we add this number, it takes time, and if we read the table, 4 5s are 20, then how many? 20 hens, right? So children, these numbers, so children, multiplication gives us the power to add any number in a very short term, okay, in a very short way. So this is the shortest method of doing addition, and multiplication is also called the repeating addition, okay. Now children, let's we see right till now we see the we see with the help of pictures and drawing. Now I give you some numbers. If we if I give you 4 plus 4 plus 4 and 4 plus 4, okay, how many 4s are there? Let's recount. 1 2 3 4. 4. How many 4s? 4. The number is, so how to read in this number? 4 of what? 4 groups of 4 groups of 4. How to read in words? So 4 groups of 4, because 4 groups है किसका? 1 2 3 4 ग्रुप है. किसका ग्रुप है? 4 का ग्रुप है. If I write in this 3, then what I write? 3. Okay. So 3 groups of here is 4 groups of 3. Okay. 4 group है. 1 2 3 4 group है. 4 groups of 3. ऑफ मतलब किसका? 4 ग्रुप्स है. किसका ग्रुप है? 3 का ग्रुप है. तो ये 3 का. If I write 2, if I write 8 plus 8, so हम क्या बोलेंगे इसको वर्ड्स में? 8 2 groups, 2 groups of what? 2 groups of 8. Okay children, 2 groups of 8 है. If we multiply, then if we take in the multiplication, then how many? This 4 groups of 4 means that what means that here is 4 groups into 3. So 4 3s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Let's count. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. So the addition in the form answer we will get 12, and if we see the multiplication in the form of multiplication, then we get the answer this. So these two answers are same. Yes, these two answers are same. In this also, what? 2 groups. 2 group of 8 means 2 group of 8. So 2 8s are 16. So 8 plus 8 is 16 if you add. Okay. So children, I teach you this number form also and this pictures form. Now children, today's homework is exercise 5.1, and you all get a very interesting exercise in this book. So you all have to do it. Okay. Today's homework is 5.1 up to question number only 1 and question number 2. Okay. Both the question you all have to do. So children, stay safe and be happy. Bye bye.